Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. Words of what they came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My life so collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces. I can't go back, and now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should have let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. Shouted in the quiet, I'm fine. Shouted in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. No, we're not heroes. We're still survivors. Not dreamers. And I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. And now we see all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. This song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. This song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. The lights aren't defined. This is what it sounds like. This song we couldn't write. The lights aren't defined. I wish without the lies. This is what it sounds like.